when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in the kitchen, I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again in the Good Kitchen. So we have some pork belly right here. I'm about to make a nice, delicious pork belly recipe. So stay tuned. Right now, if we go ahead and clean this bad boy, we'll start cooking. Okay, so if we go ahead and clean this pork belly, white vinegar, a little bit of salt, and water. Alright, so I'm gonna fill this up with water and then I'm gonna scrub it real good. Okay, so here we go right here. I'll let it soak for 30 minutes with our cold water. Now we're gonna add our salt. We're gonna let this boil for 40 minutes until they get tender. Say about 40 minutes. Okay, so while we're waiting for it to boil, we're gonna add green onion to it, habanero pepper, and some garlic cloves. That's all we need right there to let it boil. Okay, so here we go right here. "45 minutes later, boom. Nice and tender. Now we're gonna fish them out, have them dry, get to the next step. Okay, so now we're gonna take this part right here, grab a knife, little sharp knife, and just stick some holes in there. You want to get that flavor all through there. All that fat. Look at that oil coming right there. Okay, there we go right there. Okay, so we have our vegetable oil. Mm. It's gonna be popping. You got fat. So you want to keep a top on there. Alright, do its thing. Okay, so this how we looking right here. I done flipped it over, but I did that off camera. When I say it was popping, this bad boy is popping for real. So what they do, I'm gonna go ahead and fish these out, and I'm gonna let them rest for about 20 minutes. But I'm gonna chop them up, and then we're gonna put them back in there. We're gonna do a double fry. Alright, you know I gotta show this. I got to. Got it. Yeah, they're sticking together. Nice and crispy. Yeah. Okay, go ahead and chop these bad boys. Okay, so here we go right here. It's time to make our sauce. We have our red onions. We have our Italian parsley, cucumbers, our green onions, our garlic, red pepper, green pepper. We have 2 tablespoons of white sugar, a little squirt of lemon juice, oyster sauce. All this is optional. And sweet chili sauce. So this is what I'm using. I thought I had soy sauce, but I didn't. So this is what I'm using right here. So we're about to go ahead and make it happen with our sauce. Okay, so here we go right here. We have a tablespoon of vegetable oil. We're going with the red onions first. Open these bad boys up. And we'll add our peppers. Now it's time for the garlic. Get these bad boys nice and sauteed. Remember, it don't take long for the garlic to cook. there. Oyster sauce. Chili. Some more lemon juice. And I said, this smells so good. This smells good for real. And now we're going without sugar. Mix that in real good. Go ahead with a little bit of that cowboy steak sauce. About a teaspoon. Some of that the good dash. Teaspoon. Some of the red peppers. About a tablespoon. There we go right there. Delicious pork belly recipe. Now this is optional. Cucumbers, optional. You don't have to add it at all. There we go right there. All done. Let's go ahead and plate this up. So we close this video. I hope y'all enjoy. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our delicious pork belly recipe with the sticky rice. When I say this is full of so much flavor, Don't sleep on it, y'all. Don't sleep on this recipe. For real. I did my thing right here in this good kitchen. Made it happen. Shout out to my bro for bringing this to my attention. But other than that, I did my thizzle. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Have a good night. I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.